Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm making my own version banana cake. Here's the recipe. Actually, I mix up the butter and the sugar, then eggs, flour, combination with the milk, water, and vinegar. We call that sour cream, and banana. And lastly is the vanilla. Now I'm starting. Look at. See you again later.